Good morning everyone, and we've got some spicy new LEGO minifigure leaks. The next batch of LEGO Store BAM exclusives have surfaced, and while these are early leaks, so take them with a grain of salt, the lineup is looking wild. From a bee-covered minifigure to a green rabbit headpiece, let's jump right in. First up, we have a Doctor minifigure. This one's got kind of a nice bit of detail to it. The torso features a printed stethoscope, and it comes with a syringe accessory. The face print includes glasses and grey hair, but sadly the legs are just plain white. So not the most exciting minifigure, but still a solid addition for city builders. Now, this is easily my favourite, a green rabbit minifigure. This one comes with an adorable green bunny headpiece, and the torso features blue printed overalls with Easter eggs stuffed into the pockets. And if that wasn't cute enough, they also come with a tiny rabbit accessory. This might be one of the better LEGO BAM minifigures in this wave. Next up, it looks like LEGO is bringing back the Series 15 Clumsy Guy in spirit. This minifigure comes with crutches just like the original, but now features a worried expression and a salmon-coloured beanie headpiece. The torso has shirt printing, but the legs are unfortunately plain, apart from one leg is actually in a cast. Still, it's always fun when LEGO revisits old ideas like this. The next one is interesting. I'm calling them the Pirate Enthusiast, and you'll see why. They have a blue printed t-shirt with a LEGO minifigure skull design, a smirking face, and the long borders hairpiece. The minifigure's legs are mainly red with patches giving them a classic pirate vibe, and the accessory, a medium-sized printed tile featuring the legendary LEGO pirate, Redbeard. This is such a fun meta reference for long-time LEGO fans. Now on to something buzzy. This next minifigure is either a bee or a person covered in bees. You decide. The torso print features bees crawling all over them, they've got plain brown legs, and a headpiece is a brown mould with antennae. Oh, and they even come with clear translucent wings attached to the back. This feels like a spiritual successor to the Series 10 Bumblebee Girl, but with a fun twist. Second to last, we've got a classic ninja. The outfit itself is black with some printed details, looking very similar to the LEGO Series 1 Ninja minifigure. This one also comes with a Sai accessory, which is a nice touch. Nothing groundbreaking here, but hey, classic ninja lovers out there can get one of these. And finally, a new Chili Costume Minifigure, but in purple. This is similar to the Series 22 Chili Costume Guy, but now with a fresh new colour swap. And the best part, they're holding the new cockatoo piece that was introduced into Series 27 with the Pirate Quartermaster minifigure. A fantastic little bonus for animal collectors. So what do you think of this new LEGO BAM lineup? Do you have a favourite minifigure from the bunch? Personally, I'm all about that green rabbit. Let me know your pick in the comments down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!